Time is for Mabaan language. Today we are learning about here. In Mabaan is ne, ne, here. Here is adverb. It's telling you the place the person is or something at. And here I'm saying I'm here. In Mabaan, you would say yane. You are here. Ine. Onne. We are here. If someone asking, but where are we? We would say we are here. You didn't see us? You didn't see us. You couldn't see us. On ne. We are here. Ekin ne. Ekin ne. They are here. They're here. They're here. They are here. Or shortened to they're here. Ekin they ne here. So ekin in Mabaan means they, people, group of people. And ne here. Again. Yane, ine, one, ekin ne. Yane, ine, one, ekin ne. So you have subjects, then followed by the place that you are at, where you at. So the possession or adverb or place, In the same Mabaan language, African language, have the same, the same set, the same arrangement, the same subject, right? You have subject and adverb, and your possession the same. And that's why it's good to know the language, your first language, because language is very important. Or languages are very important to the people, people that are linguistic, people that are part of language, people that are started with language, with things, observation and experience or experiments. And that's why I'm here, teaching about Mabaan tribe language or Mabaan people, connecting to their language. And if you don't know where Mabaan are, it's fine. Mabaan tribe is in Sudan or South Sudan. You will find them there. thank you for listening.